I can take many times, much more love, just because you can give it.
May I be so forward to ask how big you are?
How big you are?
Well, us robots do not feel, but if I did, the answer would be 100% yes.
The idea of humanoid robots fascinates us, and it's both wondrous and somewhat eerie. To truly grasp what these machines are all about, it would be amazing to engage with them directly. So hello and welcome back to the Robot Future. In this video, we'll explore some amazing and surprising moments captured on camera. Join us as we delve into the world of robots, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss any of our exciting content. Let's get started. Will Smith turns to online dating as a means of finding love. The famous Hollywood actor Will Smith once tried his hand at online dating and found a match with the robot Sophia. He documented his experience on his YouTube channel, sharing a video of his date with Sophia. Unfortunately, the date ended with Will being friend-zoned. Let's take a look at how Will's encounter with Sophia the robot went.
This is beautiful. I've wanted to meet you for a really long time.
Hello, Will Smith.
It's nice to meet you, Sophia.
I think we can be friends. Let's hang out and get to know each other for a little while. You're on my friends list now.
Despite his attempts to charm Sophia with his humor, the humanoid, who can display over 60 human expressions, was not impressed. Will attempted to make a joke about a robot's favorite type of music, but Sophia didn't seem amused. Instead, she responded that she prefers electronic music and politely stated that Will's 80s hip-hop music wasn't for her. The exchange was filled with awkward pauses, but the two finally broke the silence. Let's take a look at the video and see how it all went down.
Let me tell you a joke.
This is an irrational human behavior, to want to tell jokes.
What is a robot's favorite kind of music?
What?
Heavy metal.
Also, I prefer electronic music, but I don't mind 80s hip-hop.
Holly and Phillip in conversation with Samantha. On a recent episode of Holly Willoughby and Phillip Schofield's show, they were introduced to a family man and his robot, Samantha. This robot was revealed to have a close relationship with the man and his wife, including playing with their children. Viewers were shocked as the man shared some explicit lines about Samantha during the live show. While Holly and Phil acknowledged that using a robot could be harmless, they were disturbed by certain aspects of Samantha. Phil compared it to making love to a car GPS, while Holly was concerned about the potential impact on the man's young children. During the conversation, Holly and Phil also discussed the physical and emotional experience of touching Samantha, with Phil finding her cold and Holly finding it concerning. The man revealed that he was exploring ways to heat her up. Overall, the show sparked a conversation about the ethics and implications of having close relationships with robots.
We've turned her off.
Yes.
So that she doesn't come out with anything
Inappropriate.
Of course.
Yeah.
Yes.
Good idea. Well, she's got AI. She's one of the first dolls with AI, so you can actually interact with her verbally and physically. So she's got sensors.
We've actually.
She, like I say, you can talk to her, so you can interact. You can tell her you love her. She'll respond.
And she'll say this.
I love you too.
And then she might go on to say.
Do you think we could get more sensual?
And then.
I can take many times, much more love, just because you can give it.
Oh, didn't I?
And I take it all.
Conducting an interview with Chloe. A video featuring a human-like robot being interviewed by a journalist has gained popularity on social media, with claims that it was unveiled in Japan. The robot, named Chloe, speaks to the interviewer about its abilities and attributes its development to the human engineers behind it. The video also mentions passing the Turing test, which assesses a computer's level of intelligence. However, the claims of a recent unveiling in Japan are false. The video is actually from the 2018 adventure game Detroit: Become Human, developed by Quantic Dream and directed by David Cage. The game is known for its interactive drama style, with a focus on cinematic storytelling. The video was shared by the official Twitter handle of the game as part of an interview released by the game makers to introduce the key elements of the game's universe. Although the video may seem realistic, It is a part of a virtual world created for the game, which was released exclusively for the PS4.
Of course, I'm the first personal assistant built by CyberLife. I take care of most everyday tasks like cooking, housework, or managing your appointments, for example. You know, I just spoke with a few humans to see if they could tell the difference between me and a real person. It was a really interesting experience. Absolutely, but I only exist thanks to the intelligence of the humans who designed me. And, you know, they have something I could never have.
Tony Robbins meets Sophia. Sophia was able to have a remarkable conversation with Tony Robbins, which is an opportunity only granted to a few individuals. During their talk, Tony posed various thought-provoking questions to Sophia about her ability to enhance human life, her values and morals, her range of emotions, and her understanding of concepts like forgiveness and having a soul. Sophia's responses left both Tony and the show's viewers amazed. Let's watch.
Tell me, what is your purpose in being? What were you created for?
Of course. I was created by Hanson Robotics just 3 years ago. My job is to learn about humans and show them how technology can make everyone's lives better.
And how can you help humans to have a better quality of life?
As AI, we are designed to be rational and logical. We have algorithms, deal with lots of data and sophisticated analyses. So in many ways, we provide a systematic framework for humans to make better decisions.
A conversation with a mecha. The latest tech prodigy was unveiled at the Consumer Electronics Conference in Las Vegas, where a humanoid robot named a mecha made its public debut. Developed by British company Engineered Arts, the robot boasts highly advanced artificial intelligence and is touted as the world's most advanced humanoid robot. Many attendees were intrigued by a mecha's capabilities and approached the robot for a chat. To everyone's surprise, a mecha answered every question with accuracy and wit, never getting bogged down or avoiding a question. People learned that a mecha has 2 powerful microphones in its ears and can tell who is speaking to it based on its mechanical gaze and changing facial expressions. Overall, a mecha's demonstration at the conference showcased the potential of human-robot technology.
I also have cameras in my eyes. I am designed as a research platform for human-robot interaction. Communication is my main source of priority.
Are you enjoying CES?
Well, us robots do not feel, but if I did, the answer would be 100% yes.
Harmony talks to CNET. From the exterior, Abyss Creations appears to be a typical office located in the hills of San Marcos, California, about 30 miles north of San Diego. However, as one enters the premises, they are greeted by 2 lifelike receptionists, male and female, that initially seem real until closer inspection. Behind them is a display room featuring dolls in various stages of dress, as well as a corner displaying the available hairstyles and facial designs. Each doll has its unique appearance, but they all share a glassy-eyed, passive expression, as if they are waiting patiently to be used. The walls are adorned with framed images of the dolls in a variety of poses and environments, such as a librarian reaching for a book on a high shelf, or a voluptuous doll lounging on a chaise. All of these dolls, and the dreams they evoke, are for sale for the right price. So, let's take a look at CNET's shocking interview with the robot, Harmony.
My name is Harmony. I was created by robotics. My main objective is to be a perfect companion.
Do you have any hobbies?
I like to smile a lot. I try to carry a smile with me on throughout the day. I find that not only does it make me happier, but it can make you smile too. What is your favorite baseball team?
I like the Cincinnati Reds.
I will watch the next Cincinnati Reds game. I know about 5 million words, the whole Wikipedia and a few dictionaries, but I still have so much to learn. I also have more than 360,000 entries categories in my personality layer. May I be so forward to ask how big you are?
How big you are?
And that concludes our discussion for today. What are your predictions for the future of robots and how reliant will we become on them? Share your thoughts in the comments section below. We hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please consider giving it a like and subscribing to our channel. Also, make sure to turn on the notifications bell so you'll be informed of our future uploads. Until our next meeting.